So hi guys, I hope you have enjoyed these short, crisp videos of anatomy, the biomechanics. They are not detailed because they are just for the reference purposes for the course participants. And everything in detail is being taught in the course level 1, which is posture and alignment. So in that course, you learn the preventive techniques, you learn your body biomechanics and assessments and the testings, how you can prevent yourself, not only in yoga, but also in any fitness regimen, any activity you do, either you're a runner, you're a cyclist, or maybe you're a sports person, anything, or maybe day-to-day life activities, right? How you can prevent, how you can safeguard yourself, and how then you can strengthen your body, right? So everything is there in the course to give you a holistic life, the healthy life. And if you want to gain more knowledge about these joints, more detailed version of it, then definitely you should join the course, and everything you are going to get to know. Because I think this is the most basic part before we even start moving, right? Even if doesn't matter what we are doing, whichever activity, we should be first knowing that what is the biomechanics, what is the anatomy of the body, so that we are not at least ending up getting the injuries, isn't it? Not everyone, who is practicing gets to the podium. You know it, right? Millions of people try, but only one or two you see there. Why? Because of their biomechanics. So it is very, very necessary to know, very, very necessary to learn. It is not that you should not be enjoying the activity, you should be doing all the activities, should be participating in all the activities. But once you will be knowing your own limitation and capacities, then you will enjoy that activity more rather than getting into the competition. Getting me? So if you want to learn more, please join the courses. We are running the courses offline, online, everywhere in the world. We have a lot of teachers and the mentors who are teaching these courses everywhere live in all the locations. So please feel free to contact us and we will get back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaskar.